A Fort Worth dentist is in jail after a 4-year-old girl died during a dental procedure. An arrest affidavit details multiple mistakes, starting with a lethal combination of medications given to the child. Fox 4's Lori Brown live in Fort Worth with the story. Lori.
Clarice, the arrest affidavit for Dr. Chrishelle Hemphill shows that the amount of pain medication given to the 4-year-old little girl would have been toxic even for an adult. And the doctor then tried to give her a drug to reverse the effects, and it was the wrong kind of medication. From the outside, Cuddle Kids Dental Care looks like a caring and safe place for a child's dental procedure. But an arrest affidavit for the dentist, Dr. Chrishelle Hemphill, describes reckless actions that ended a 4-year-old girl's life. Aitana Arriaga was getting a procedure done on her tongue April 1st. According to the affidavit, Dr. Hemphill gave Aitana a clear liquid medicine in a red cup. Aitana didn't like the taste, but Dr. Hemphill encouraged her to drink all of it. She then took the child back for the procedure, but told her mom that she was not allowed in the room.
During that procedure, anesthesia was provided to the 4-year-old. When the procedure was done, as they were attempting to wake her up from the procedure, she was unresponsive.
A temp dentist came in to assist with CPR. Paramedics arrived and took Aitana to the hospital, where she was pronounced dead. According to the medical examiner, Aitana was given a powerful opioid pain medication called meperidine. The amount in her system was double the amount one would give to an adult. On top of that, according to an expert cited in the affidavit, they performed chest compressions and used a defibrillator for a heart that hadn't stopped. According to the board-certified anesthesiologist interviewed, she needed an open airway, head tilt, jaw lift, stimulation, and Narcan to reverse the respirator depressant effects. Instead, they gave her flumazenil, which reverses drugs she wasn't given. Dr. Hemphill was located Wednesday and charged with reckless injury to a child. Officer Brad Perez with the Fort Worth Police Department says an important part of this is what Aitana's mother should have been allowed to do. A reminder for parents to know their rights.
The one thing that I would suggest or strongly suggest is to make certain that if you feel you want to be there when your child is undergoing a procedure or so forth, then assist on that. Because I believe that this mother was wanting to check on this child but was unable to do so while the procedure occurred. Perhaps the mother could have seen signs that the doctor was not seeing at the time.
According to the Texas State Board of Dental Examiners, Dr. Hemphill had no disciplinary record with the state. Her license is still listed as active. Clarice.
Heartbreaking.